Are you trying to book a cab with a phone whose battery is running low? Beware, you may end up paying more. Yes, some people have noticed that they are being charged more in such cases, and it is making users wonder whether there are some secret pricing algorithms at play. Local Circles has released the results of a survey that indicates users are often falling into a money trap, and there are dark patterns at play here. As per the survey, consumers have red flagged many instances while booking cabs that led to charges being higher than normal. In fact, 8 in 10 cab app users surveyed have reported dark patterns like bait and switch, forced action, and more. And most of these have been noticed in popular ride-hailing apps like Uber, Ola, followed by BlueSmart, InDrive, and Rapido. Not just that, there is difference between what iPhone users pay as against Android users. The survey indicates iPhone users have noticed higher cab rates for identical rides. Now, apart from the iPhone-Android divide, what are the other controversial algorithms that powered price hikes for users? For one, many cab booking app users have noticed prices surging within minutes of trying to fix the location. The price hike can even be over Rs 100 to 200. What is worse, even after commuters committed to taking the service, cabs magically disappear from the area, even though just moments earlier the app showed cabs to be just 2 minutes away. Users also find that even after a booking, it is not a smooth ride. Why? Well, 42% of app-based taxi users surveyed said that they had to pay hidden charges which were not disclosed upfront. Cancellation of booked rides without any reason is also a major challenge. Some 84% of users said that they were forced to cancel a ride as their driver was unwilling to provide the ride that they signed up for. There are many more such nasty experiences. As many as 78% of the commuters have experienced the bait and switch approach too. That is, the waiting time shown to them was significantly less than the actual time it takes for the driver to reach them. So, is relief for users on the cards? Currently, the Android-iPhone price difference is not listed among the 13 dark patterns identified by the Government of India. And on its part, Local Circles has urged authorities to include price manipulation based on user information in the list of dark patterns. So, have you noticed any of these dark patterns while booking a cab? What other algorithm anomalies have struck your eyes? Let us know in the comments below, and for more, stay tuned to NTV Profit.